Good morning, students. In this video, I am explaining today the brush up once again of chapter number 11. So your first question is change the following. Now you have to convert 7 hour 36 minute into minute. All of you remember that previous table. Na? When you convert hour into minute, so you have to multiply what? 60. So uh, you write 7 in multiply 60, this hour become minute and plus 30 minutes as it is. Now 7 6 are 42, 0 as it is. Then it become 420 minute plus 36 minute. Now when you add it become 456 minute. So your answer is 456 minute. You remember that previous table as I told you for the conversion table, when you convert this hour into minute, so you have to multiply by what? 60. Now convert 4 days 15 hours into hour. When you convert days into hour, so you have to multiply by 24 from that table. Write 4 as it is. Now multiply by 24, it becomes hour. Now plus 15 hours. Now when you multiply 4 by 24, you get 96. That 96 hour plus 15 hour. When you add, it become triple one. So your answer is 111 hours. Now it becomes 98 days into week. So when you convert days into week, now see here, when you convert days into week, so you have to divide it by 7. So when you divide it by 98 by 7, it become weeks. Now when you divide also here. 7 ones are 7 minus, it become 2. Right here 8 become 28 and 7 fours are 28. So it become 14. So right here 14 weeks. Now come on D1, 74 second into minute. So you have to convert second into minute. Just look at the table. Second into minute. So when you convert second into minute, you have to divide it by 60. So you have to divide 74 by 60, then it will become minute. Now so calculation here. 61 60 14 80, then it become 1 minute 14 second. It become what? 1 minute 14 seconds. It is your answer. Similarly, E part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on question number 2. Add the following. 3 days 17 hour and 4 days 12 hour. So right here 3 days 17 hour and 4 days 12 hour. When you add, it become what? 29. 7 2 9 1 and 1 2, it become 29. Can you write 29 at 24 plus 5? So this 24 go this side, this 24 hour go this side, then it become 1 days. When you move this 24 hour this side, then it become what? 1 days. So here remain only 5. Now add 3 plus 4 7 and 1 8. So it become 8 days 5 hours. It become 8 days and 5 hours, because this 24 hours go this side and become 1 day only. Then 3 4 7 and carry 1 become 8. So it become 8 days 5 hours. Similarly, B part you have to do by yourself in homework. You have to add. We also do this question in previous exercise also. Now subtract the following. 19 minute 42 second from 23 minute 12 second. So from part you have to put first. Right here minute second. Write 23 minute 12 second and 19 minute 42 second. Then 12 minus 42, not possible, because 12 is small and 42 is greater. Then take 1 carry from this side, so it become 22. It become 22. Now when you move 1 minute here, so in second it becomes 60. When you carry 1 minute from this side, then here left 22 minute, and when 1 minute go this side, so you this side is 60, so you write here carry 1 minute as 60 second. So this 60 come from this side as a carry, and this 12, then 12 add here, it becomes 72. it becomes 72. So when you take one carry from this side, here remain 22, and this minute come this side as a 60 second. Then 60 plus 12, it becomes 72. Now just subtract 2 minus 2 0, and 7 minus 2, sorry, 7 minus, just 1 again, 2 minus 2 0, and 7 minus 4 3. So it becomes 30 second. Now subtract here, 2 minus 3 not possible, take one carry, um, 2 minus 9 is not possible, it will become 22. Then 22 minus 90, it become only 3. So your answer is 3 minute 30 second. So your answer is, when you subtract 19 from 22, it become only 3. So your answer is 3 minute 30 second. Similarly, B part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on, question number 4. Now you have to read the temperature. Now look at the table. At what point this blue point end? At 41 na? At 41. So right here 41 degree Celsius, because the Celsius scale. Now it is Fahrenheit. Now it become 99, become 100, 101, 102, 103. It added 3 means 103. So write a 103 Fahrenheit. 103 degree Fahrenheit. So you have to just write here only. Now you have to mark the temperature 37 degree Celsius here. So just write up with a pencil or pen, or you have to end at 37. So it is 37 degree Celsius. Next one is 106.8 degree Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit here it become 99, then become 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. 106.8, and from the small scale you have to just write on 8. Means like 8 becomes just before 7, so you have to draw the line like that one, and you have to end here. So it is 106.8 degree Fahrenheit. Now come on, true and false. The normal human body temperature is 98.6 degrees Celsius. It is wrong, it is false. The normal human body temperature is not 98.0 degrees Celsius. Human body temperature is always mostly measured in Fahrenheit. Water void at 100 degree Fahrenheit, it is wrong. It is about 100 degrees Celsius, because the normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. This question is right. The normal body temperature is what? 37 degrees Celsius, and 90 degrees Celsius is same as 194 degree Fahrenheit. So when you convert with the help of formula, I told you no formula how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. So when you convert, so you will get the both value become same. So your answer is true. This answer is true. Now convert the following into Celsius scale. So this question you have to verify by using your formula as I explain here. Convert this into Celsius scale. So you have 99 degree Fahrenheit, right? C here, C is equal to 5 upon 9 F minus 32. So what is the value of F? 99. Then 99 minus 32, when you subtract it become what? 67. So 5 upon 9 multiply 67. Now just multiply 67 by 5, it becomes 335. And when you divide 335 by 9, it becomes what? 37.2. So your answer is 99 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 37.2 degree Celsius. Now come on second, 110 degree Fahrenheit. Write the formula of C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. Write the value of F, 1110. Now when you separate, it become what? 78. Now multiply by 5, it becomes 390. 390 divided by 9, when you divide, it becomes 43.3. So your answer is 110 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 43.3 degree Celsius. C part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now next one, convert these into Fahrenheit scale. You have to convert these Celsius into Fahrenheit. Now just write the formula for this same. Formula is F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Just write 9 by 5, multiply what is the value of C? 33, and then plus 32. Now multiply 9 by 33, you get 297. upon 5 plus 32. Now when you divide by 5, it becomes 59.4 plus 32. When you add, it becomes 91.4. So your answer is 33 degrees Celsius is equal to 91.4 degree Fahrenheit. Now come on B part. It is 85 degrees Celsius. Just write the formula. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Write the value of C 85 here. Now just cut by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Here become 3. And 5 35. And 5 sevens are 35. Now become 9 into 17. When you multiply 9 into 17, you get 153. Then plus 32 here. When you add, it become 185. So you write here 85 degrees Celsius is equal to 185 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, C part you have to do by yourself in homework. One conversion you have to do by yourself. Come on, question number 9. A seminar started at 6:30 a.m. and end at 8:30 p.m. So, how long did the seminar last? A seminar started at 8:30 a.m. and end at 8:30. 6:30 a.m. it is started and 8:30 p.m. it is end. Then what is the duration of the seminar? Okay, started time is 6:30 na. So after 1 hour it become what, 7:30 a.m. Then after 1 hour it become 8:30 a.m. Then after 1 hour it become 9:30 a.m. Then after 1 hour it become 10:30 a.m. Then after 1 hour 11:30, then 12:30, and then 1:30. So after 1 hour it become 2:30, 1 hour become 3:30, then 4:30, then 5:30, and then after 1 hour it becomes 6:30. Then after 1 hour it becomes 7:30, and after 1 hour it becomes 8:30. So your end time is 8:30. So you have to write here finish time. Now just count duration of this seminar. Just count how many are in first line. How many are in first line? Just count here: 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. So 3 hour in first line. Second line, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Right, 4 hour in second line. Third line, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. Right here, 5 hour here. And the last line, 1 hour and 2 hour. Right here, 2 hour here. Now simply add 3, 4, 7. 5 hour it is, 2 hour as it is. Now 7, 5, 12. 12 hour plus 2 hour. 12 hour plus 2 hour means 14 hour. So what is the duration of the seminar is 14 hour. It is your answer. Now on a particular day, the minimum temperature of Delhi was 22 degrees Celsius. It is the minimum temperature, and the maximum temperature was 35 degrees Celsius. It is the minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Find the difference between the two and then change into Fahrenheit. Okay, you have to just find the difference between two temperature. Do you know the meaning of difference? Difference is minus, and in minus, larger you have to put first and smaller you have to put later, and then you have to convert your temperature into Fahrenheit scale. Okay, just right here, minimum temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. It is given. Now difference in temperature you have to subtract small from the bigger one. When you subtract 35 minus 22, it becomes 13 degrees Celsius. Now you have to convert this temperature into Fahrenheit. Write the formula. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. What is the value of C? 13. Just write here 13. Now multiply 9 by 30. It becomes 117 upon 5 plus 32. When you divide by 5, 117, you get 23.4. When you divide 117 by 5, it becomes what? 223.4. When you now you add 32 to 23.4, it becomes 55.4. So you have to write here 13 degrees Celsius is equal to 55.4 degree Fahrenheit. It is your answer. So if any student have any doubt in any question, you can ask me out. Today I am completed your chapter number 11 also. Now in next class I am going to start your chapter number 12. Thank you.